Hi guys, Glad Discoveries here. Welcome back to our Team Fights. Let's get started. First item is this Hello Kitty Leopard Tan coffee mug. But today we will be making matcha because I'm a matcha lover. First is this matcha. Let's put this here para makita niyo kung paano gamitin. Let's open the matcha and then pour it here. Pwede rin naman sa coffee to, pero okay, I like matcha. Okay. Pwede naman natin lahat para walang sayang. And then, hot water para ma-dissolve yung matcha. Next, haluin natin. Ay, tapon. Halo-halo. Next, add some water. Para mapuno siya. Water. Yan, konti lang. And then, let's put some ice. Let's put some ice. And then, let's put some milk. Ganito ako pag nagtitimpla ng matcha. Konti lang, ganun siya masyadong matamis. Yan. And then, halo ulit. Tapos, tikman natin. And then, sara na natin. Tikman natin. Sarap! Yay! Last item is this Hello Kitty mug. Open natin siya para makita nyo. And then this is the cute mug. Oh, sobrang cute. And ito yung silicone niya na. Okay, open natin. Cute! Tapos ito yung takip niya. Diba? So pwede mo siya lagyan ng water. And, sarap! That's it guys, thanks for watching. Use my code and happy shopping. Bye everyone!